Hello everyone. For this video series, we'll be discussing the fundamentals of Elastic Force Qi Gong, the interaction of energy between partners. So why do we do partner work in this exercise? The reason why is because with partner work, it allows you to get a visual reaction of the type of energy that we cultivate in Neigong, in internal alchemy. With partners, you get this instant feedback loop to recognize if you are having a very clear discernment and tapping into the right frequencies, and really how that affects the partner that you're working with. So in this video, we'll be discussing a couple of topics. The first starts with biotensegrity. It's the standing alignment in order to allow energy to flow in your body. Afterwards, we'll be discussing different ways to float our partner, opening up the energetic matrices and the different energetic bodies within the human body. Next up, we'll discuss the electric as well as the magnetic forces, the primordial yang and yin energetic elements. Moving on, we'll be discussing different layers of elemental qualities. We work with the 4 elements as well as the 8 powers of expressing these type of elements. Next, we'll be discussing intrinsic energy. And wrapping up, we will move on to a little bit more of advanced curriculum in terms of practicing empty force and demonstrating this. So without further ado, we'll move on to the next video.